This is for setting up the spin doctor in the horizontal position. You'll begin with all of the parts for both vertical and horizontal arrangements. You'll need 6 legs, 6 bolts, washers, and nuts. I will play a short video showing you how to do it quickly, and then we'll go through it step by step. Step 1, assembling the legs. You'll need all of the legs, bolts, washers, and nuts. Begin by applying thread locker to each of the bolts and inserting them into the hub with the threads facing outward. You'll then insert the leg, making sure that the bolt threads come through the hole. Once you do that, you'll apply the lock washer and finger tighten the bolt. Once it's finger tightened, you'll go back through with a wrench and tighten them, being sure not to over tighten them and strip the threads or inside the plastic hub. Make sure you wait 2 hours for the thread locker to fully dry before getting this wet. Step 2, assembling the shaft. You'll begin by using thread locker and applying it to the M8 screw and washer for the bottom of the shaft, securely fastening it in. Once you do that, you'll then apply thread locker to both sides of the shaft threads and completely inserting them. Once it's inserted, make sure you wipe any excess thread locker off. Step 3 is assembly. You'll need both the legs and shaft you just completed. Begin by sliding the shaft all the way through the first leg, then inserting the cap with the bearing facing outward. Insert your filter, and then you'll need the second cap with the notch facing inward, bearings facing outward. Insert the second set of legs. Then you're going to need the black spacer and the collar. Inserting the spacer first, and then the collar and tightening it down, being sure not to over tighten so that the filter can still freely spin on the shaft. Step 4 is how to use. You'll begin by attaching the jet nozzle to the end of a garden hose, and you can adjust the beam by turning the nozzle left and right, creating a tight beam. Once you have completed that, you'll begin by spraying the water on the top left side and working your way across to the right. It will begin to spin. Once you get all the way to the end, you can reverse directions by starting at the bottom and working from right to left. Repeat this step as necessary for each filter.